Friends, today we are going to discuss here about BCBR assignment number 3, 1 to 30 MCQs. The ability to apply the principle of analysis to identify those studies which are unbiased and valid is called as critical appraisal, information seeking, information management, systemic review. So the best answer here is critical appraisal. Second, a question is a collection of articles, abstract scientific proceeding, books, situations, etc., that is organized so that it can easily be assessed while doing literature review, database, critical appraisal, hard disk, or index. So, answer here is database. Now, why should we need to do a literature review? Save yourself from work, know the subject matter better, suggest new research topic, questions, and methods, and D, all of the above. So the best answer here is D, all of the above. Hope it's clear. Now, the process of scanning the literature efficient using manual or computerized methods to identify a set of potentially useful articles and book is called as information seeking, critical appraisal, database management, information retrieval. So the best answer here is information seeking. Now, in the Boolean search strategy and tells that database that you want records the contain all the words you specify. Is it true or false? Answer is true. Now, sixth, which of the following is unethical while writing a literature review? Content from the studies should be presented honestly. The contents from study should not be distorted. It is not necessary to address the weakness of study in scholarly manner. Sources should be accurately documented. So answer is C option, not necessary to address. This is the answer here. So I hope it's clear. Now 7. Critical appraisal is done in an organized and systemic manner, true or false? So answer here is true. The process of identifying within a large document collection a subset of documents whose content is most relevant to users' need is called as information retrieval, information management, systemic review, or narrative review. So this is known as information retrieval. Now, the query system in the information retrieval process of literature review is user defined, provider defined, conditional, or not structured. So this is a user defined. Now, in the National Library of Medicine, MESH means medical service heading, medical subject heading, medical subject helpline, medical service helpline. So this is a case of medical subject heading, medical subject heading. Okay, now it's clear. In literature review, method of identifying studies which are unbiased and valid is known as critical appraisal. This is true. This is absolutely a true statement. Now choose the correct sequence of steps of systematically doing literature search from below. Organize the information, identify the lacuna, develop the research question, synthesize the result. Identify the lacuna, develop the research question, synthesize the result, organize the information. Develop the research question, synthesize the result, organize the information, identify the lacuna. Organize information, synthesize the result, identify the lacuna, develop the research question. So what is single best answer here? Single best answer here is organize information first, then synthesize the results, identify the lacuna, develop the research question. Okay. All of the following about literature review is correct except it identifies lacuna in the existing knowledge about a topic. It saves valuable time for a researcher. Has the researcher in arriving the conclusion of a study. It suggests the research about new research topics. So the best answer here is it helps the researcher arriving the conclusion of the study, except this is. While drafting a scientific manuscript, literature review is useful on the following situation, except introduction, methods, okay, and third option is result, and fourth option is discussion. So answer is result, which is not visible in this slide. Which of the following about PubMed is incorrect? PubMed comprises more than 25 million citations for biomedical literature. Citations may include links to full text articles from PubMed Central. PubMed is developed and maintained by National Central of Biotechnology Information (NCBI) at the US National Library of Medicine. PubMed is a paid service provider for searching literature. So they are asking incorrect. So incorrect is option D. This is not a paid service. Okay. All of the following are example of database: Midline, Embase, Sinhal, or Google Scholar. So this is the best answer, D. Literature searches are to do at the start of project and do not need to continue throughout the project. So 17th option, this is false statement. Which of the following search queries should be used to find the article on chest pain other than angina, chest pain and angina, chest pain or angina, chest pain not angina, chest pain except angina? So answer here is chest pain not angina. Okay. Now, a researcher want to assess effects of polysaturated fatty acid PUFA on diabetes prognosis. For this, researcher searches related article in PubMed and Google Scholar. The process is known as information retrieval, indexing, critical appraisal, or data management. So this is a case of information retrieval. Now, which of the following about MASH is incorrect? MASH thesaurus is controlled vocabulary produced by National Library of Medicine. It consists of sets of terms, naming descriptors, a hierarchical structure that permits searching at various levels of specificity. It is used for indexing, searching biomedical health related information. MASH is used for Embase database. So the best answer here is D. Okay, D is the best answer. Now, which of the following is incorrect about literature review for proposed study? Begins with systemic literature search, involves critical appraisal, retrieved studies, present existing knowledge consciously, guides the finding, propose the study. So this is the answer here, D. A researcher conducts a review of literature to identify a set of potentially useful articles and books related to their research topic. This process is known as indexing, critical appraisal, data management, information seeking. So this is the best question you have to answer. So this is an information seeking. Okay, information seeking. I hope it's clear. Information seeking. Literature review is well thought out and organized search for all literature published on a particular topic on library online database. So 23rd answer is true. Now, which of the following search query in PubMed will give relevant articles for the question, what is the burden of gastroenteritis among children? Gastroenteritis or children, gastroenteritis and children, gastroenteritis but children, gastroenteritis not children. So answer here is gastroenteritis and children. Now, which of the following Boolean operator will give the highest number of results when used between two given search terms and, not, or, all? So answer here is 25th question, or. Okay, or. I hope it's clear. So C option is right. A researcher wants to study the effect of physical activity on reduction of systolic blood pressure among with hypertension. The researcher identifies a subset of document which are most relevant to research question with large document collected. Process is known as information management, critical appraisal, information retrieval, literature organization. So the answer here is, the best answer is information retrieval. Okay. Now, organized collection of article, abstract, scientific proceeding, books, citations used for the purpose of literature review is known as database, data management, critical appraisal, or index. So the best answer here is database. Okay, the answer is database. Now, 28. Which of the following does not satisfy the ethical principles in conducting a literature review? A result of previous study are presented without distortion. Weakness, previous studies are highlighted. Previous studies are accurately cited. Reputation of study authors are questioned. So, literature review. So, the best answer here is reputation of study authors are questioned. Okay, not satisfied. Which of the following purpose is the Boolean operator or commonly used in literature? Connecting synonyms of one key concept, connecting different key concept, connecting keywords which need to be excluded, connecting keyword, narrow down the result. So connecting key synonyms of one key concept is the answer. Okay. So this is the best answer. Medical subject headings is a controlled vocabulary thesaurus used for indexing article is PubMed, Google Scholar, Corpus, Health or Net. So answer here is PubMed. So guys, thank you for watching this video. Good day. Goodbye.